If you cannot pay people who have genuinely worked, and then you are running with the choppers that you are doing empowerment. Empowerment, my foot. Don't go in your empowerment. Yule mtu wa Soprano, leo ako siji wapi, the next day ako somewhere because he's doing what? Anafanya nini? What kind of empowerment are you doing when genuine workers cannot be paid what legally belongs to them? We are in a sick nation. A very sick nation. Mnajua dereva akiwa shetani, na dereva akiwa shetani, mwisho wake tuko hatarini, and we must admit that. One single thing that we are lacking in the personalities we have everywhere is integrity. Somebody who would stand and say what he means and means what he says.